Hey folks, welcome back. Dr. D in a Dungeon. Short video here. You guys know that I love Facebook Marketplace. I love it and I hate it. But the other day I got on there and a guy was listing a few machinist tools, and so drove over there and come to find out his father had passed, and he had a bunch of stuff. There been several other people there before me, and there were people there at the same time I was, and I bought stuff that I really didn't need, but all this was less than 200 bucks. So anyhow, let's talk about it. There are all kinds of dressers. So sign bar dresser, sign bar dresser, another sign bar dresser, another. It's a linear dresser, but oh my gosh, it is the smoothest sliding fit. It's just I can't put it into words. It's beautiful. Here we've got an angle dresser, and it's set up with some common angles. Again, I have most of this stuff. Coming over here, so we have a little mini pallet, and so I'll be making a video on this to make some feet that go on it. It's got a couple that were with it. So we'll make some duplicates of those to go with this, but I think it's nicely made, and I actually have a small CNC mill that this would be perfect on. Another little sign bar. This is an LS Starrett. I'm not even sure what it is. It's a T-slot. I don't know. I have another one just like it, but it is an LS Starrett. A die shoe. Anyhow, it's a die shoe. It does have a die in it. I don't know what the die is. A diamond grinder. And then we got 4 Norton wheels. I don't know what this one is. I can't even read it. Tool Pro. Never heard of them, but another little wheel, and then there's a cheap not cubic zirconia, but just a cheap wheel. Throw it on, the rough grinder. So let's talk about some of the little stuff up here. And so let's go here. Some kind of a chain brake tool. I've never actually used one, but I know it's for working with chain. If we look in here, we've got a little grinding wheel, several little grinding wheels. Got some miscellaneous carbide insert tooling. Got some carbide burrs. Some real small dies. Just little miscellaneous stuff, right? Now these, I wish I could have found the rest of this. These are to an acorn threader that goes in a tailstock of a lathe. I have several of these. I haven't had a chance to actually look at it. So there's 2 of the. Okay, so sorry about that, folks. The battery died. So these are medium-sized ones. These are some really small ones. I have quite a bit of that stuff. I haven't had a chance to go back and look. A little slitting saw. Looks like some ends for indicators. There's a very small, what the heck do you call it? A little broaching, bushing. Part of a indicator. And then these guys, all right, these are So if you want to transfer the a set of holes off of something, you thread these into the plate. Oops, I just dropped that one. You thread these into the plate, and then you got the little point that sticks up, and then you put something over the top of that and lightly tap it with a hammer, and it transfers the hole. So I have quite a few of those, but more are always good. This is a nice set of angle blocks for setup, so you can use these to set a specific angle inside the vise on the mill. All right, those are super handy. I have a few, but that's almost a complete, well, it's not an almost a complete set. It's a common. A little spanner wrench. What do we got here? That is a collet holder of some sort. Another collet holder, I think. Not sure what that is. Again, oh, there's a little drift key, a little chuck, an arbor. That is a threading, so you put your die in there and you can hold that in your tailstock. It's part of it, it's not all there. There is a, and actually that might fit this. Yeah, it probably would. So anyhow, this is to, again, set this up in your tailstock. It's a threading die adapter. A little dolly. I got some more of the little die adapters for your tailstock. Again, these are really handy. Got a little fly cutter, another little chuck. Oh, there is an acorn threader. So that's so it's got 3 parts to it. It's got the actual cutter itself. It's got the nose that holds the little cutting guys from expanding too far, and then you got the base that goes in the tailstock. So these are pretty cool, and like I said, I've got quite a bit of it. Maybe we'll do a special segment on that. And then I don't know what else we got here. I am not sure what that is. Looks like a deburr for the backside of a hole, but I'm not really sure. So, oh yeah, and a Cleco tool. And then these are a set of trammels. You don't need these very often, but when you do, they sure are handy. So it's a trammel, and it also has a little extension on it, so you can make it longer. So pretty cool. Again, you know, the guy was selling this stuff really, really cheap, and I wish I'd have gotten there earlier, but probably if I had, I'd have spent a bunch more money that I didn't need to spend. And then last but not least, and this did not come in that, I ordered it off of Keith Rucker. It was a 9-inch straight edge, and so I'll be doing a video on machining that and then the lapping of it. So anyhow, short video. I really enjoy Marketplace and finding new stuff, especially cheap. I know you do too. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the flip side.